I love cooking, but I don't love standing at the sink, scrubbing away at burnt food that's crusted onto my saucepans. Maybe I'm just not using enough elbow grease, or maybe there's an easier way to do this and I'm missing a trick.
People swear by all sorts of products for cleaning their saucepans with. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, washing up liquid, even fabric softener sheets.
I've tried them out with varying degrees of success, but this is my favourite method. This is Household Hacks, tried and tested.
Fill the saucepan with enough water to cover the burnt bits. Pop a dishwasher tablet in.
Then put the pan back onto a medium heat and leave it to simmer for about 10 minutes.
Then rinse out and wipe away the mess with a non-scratch sponge. Then you can wash as normal.
And there you have it, a sparkling saucepan that's ready to cook with again, achieved with relatively little elbow grease. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this household hack. You can click the link on screen to sign up to our free weekly newsletter, which is packed with cleaning tricks, money-saving tips and product reviews. Check out the video below to find out how to descale your shower head using citric acid. And for more video content like this, hit subscribe.